Hey there, it's Wes from Printful. Today, I'll be answering questions about how we stock inventory at Printful, and I'm going to shed some light on how your orders are stocked and fulfilled. First up, let's talk about our stock. It's important to remember that we don't keep stock of all of our inventory. We keep most of our products stocked at our suppliers, and we order from them on demand. So that means in most cases, when you order a product from us, we order it from our suppliers, and then we fulfill it. This is a common practice for all print-on-demand services across the entire industry. Restocking from our suppliers is a very quick process. It's actually already included in our estimated fulfillment time. We do keep inventory of our most popular models in their best-selling colors and sizes. We know we get a ton of orders for these products every day, so it's more efficient to just keep that specific inventory on hand. So with that in mind, here are some of our top questions about product stock. Number 1, why don't we offer all the same products in the US and Europe? There aren't many suppliers that operate globally, so we stock our products from different suppliers in Europe and the US. It's up to our suppliers to decide what they stock, and not all of them offer the same products. That's why we don't carry exactly the same models and variants at all of our locations. But when we add new products, we try to look for models that are available at all suppliers. Sometimes we launch a new product that's only stocked in one location, and then after launch, we look for suppliers for the other locations. We think it's better to get our products out there for our customers faster, even if that means we can't stock them at all locations just yet. And remember that everything ships worldwide, so you can still order anything that's on our products and pricing catalog. It just might not ship from the location that's the closest to you. Number 2, where can you follow a product's stock status? When you're logged into your Printful account, you'll see an availability tab on each product in the products and pricing page. Here, you can check the stock levels of each product's size and color. In stock means that it's a variant we keep in stock at our fulfillment centers. Stock on demand means we order the variant on demand from our suppliers. Supplier out of stock. It means that the variant is out of stock at our suppliers. Discontinued means it's not available at Printful anymore. If you click on an order in your dashboard, you might also see tags about the product stock. If you see that it's restocking, that just means the stock is en route from our suppliers. When the supplier is out of stock, that means exactly what it says. Our suppliers are out of stock, so it'll take longer to fulfill, and I'll talk to you a little bit more about this in a second. When a product is discontinued, that means it's no longer offered at Printful. Number 3, why do products go out of stock? When a product is out of stock at Printful, it's because it's out of stock at our suppliers. We have a team of stock specialists that maintains close contact with all of our suppliers, but we can't always predict their stock levels. And when suppliers are out of stock of something, they don't always know when it'll be back. Our stock specialists follow up daily for updates and forecast. When we know something, we let you know ASAP. If something will be out of stock for a long time, we sometimes discontinue it temporarily. Why do we discontinue products? There are 3 reasons why we discontinue products. 1, our suppliers discontinued it. If they don't have it, we can't order it. Number 2, we can't guarantee quality prints. Some products, fabrics, and colors just don't yield quality results. If we can't fix it, we discontinue the product. Number 3, low demand. We sometimes discontinue products that aren't as popular as others. This helps us focus our energy on products that are in demand and makes us more efficient in the long run. Number 5, what should you do if a product is discontinued or out of stock? We let you know as soon as we can when something is out of stock or discontinued. When a product is out of stock from our suppliers, it's difficult to predict when we'll get it back in. It can take anywhere from a couple of days to several weeks. We usually recommend either temporarily removing the product from your store or replacing it with an alternative. If you have an order with an out-of-stock product, you can either switch to an alternative, cancel the order, or if your customer is okay with it, you can wait for more stock to come in. When a product is discontinued, you should remove it from your store and replace it with a different product. Number 6, how can you avoid out-of-stock issues? We highly recommend using our alternatives tool. This lets you set up alternatives for your products. So in case one model goes out of stock, we can immediately use your alternative as a backup. It takes some time to set up, but it's totally worth it. It helps you avoid potential headaches in the future. A lot of our models that we offer are similar in quality. There's a link to a blog that compares our top models in the description below, so check it out. And that wraps it up. Let us know in the comments if you have more questions on our inventory process. And if you ever have any questions about our product stock, get in touch with us at support@printful.com. Hey, Wes from Printful here. Hope you enjoyed that video. Go check out the other videos on our channel and don't forget to hit subscribe to never miss the latest content. To get started with Printful today, just click on the link in the description below.